Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy flow from one account to another account using template. I have a flow on this account called test flow. Let me open it so you can see the content. Now I'm going to create a template of this flow and install it on my other account. Follow me. Awesome. Our template has been created. Now I'm going to get the URL of the template and install it on my other account. Follow me. The template has been installed and the flow was copied to my account. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.